Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add background after you remove the background on a Capcut application. So first thing you're gonna do is just open the Capcut application, and after that just remove or choose the video first, and after that you remove the previous background. So here I already have the video on my project and I already removed the backgrounds too. So the previous or the original video is this. So and after I remove the background, it'll become like this. So how to add background on this video? Okay, first let's check first how this video is going on. Okay, so there is no background, you can see here. And how to add background after we remove the original background, you just need to go into these sections without activating the clip. You just need to slide into the left side until you found a canvas right here, and after that you just need to click it, and now you can just choose the color of the background. Okay, so you can just choose which background that you want to apply for your project. You can also choosing the picture on your device, but if you only want a color as a background, just go with the color. Now you can choose which color that you want to have for the background. This one, or this one, anything that you want. And after you pick one color, just click done, and let's see. So for the rest video already have a background of the new background that you already chose. And that's all the way how you add background after you removing the background on the Capcut. If you find out this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to save this video, leave a comment, like, and also subscribe into this channel.